you tell me a little bit in like one sentence about what you do and where in the electronics lifecycle your work fits?
Okay, so I'm the founder and CEO of Fixably. Fixably is a SaaS platform that you use to run your repair operations, refurbishing operations, or any after-sale operations. So it's like your ERP, WMS, all combined together.
How are you liking Mobile Disrupt so far?
Mobile Disrupts is always, a place to get together with great minds. We have a lot of customers here that I can meet, and at the same time learn a lot of new things from new people. So it's a great place here, also in Europe nowadays. So there's multiple reasons to connect with people through this event.
Absolutely. And I'm curious, could you tell me if there's a project you've worked on or are currently working on that is particularly meaningful or significant to you, and why that might be?
There are a few things that we're working on under the hood, involving a lot of data and automated data handling, but unfortunately it's not public yet. So we're probably going public in August. So something not to reveal yet.
Absolutely. No worries. What is one thing you wish more people understood about the e-waste crisis?
Well, I think, the world has taken a few steps back again, thinking about sustainability and environment and all that stuff. But we're seeing heat waves and weather effects, everything happening at the same time. I think each industry should refocus in thinking, how can we be better in utilizing the materials, in saving the world somehow. So I don't know if there is any specific thing for our industry, but just repair, reuse, prolong the life. That's kind of the recipe we all know.
Yeah. Absolutely. And what's one thing that you'd love to maybe share with people that people could do to make better choices around responsible electronics management or disposal?
I think just to understand the value, understand the underlying value of things, understand it through data, through like consistent data is something that people don't usually have in place. So they don't necessarily measure or have a plan for the whole life cycle of a device. There's always value, even at the late stages, the final stages of a device, there's some value for some people, but that's not, it's not working globally in the right way. So, the logistics is not optimized to take the full advantage of the life cycle. I think there's a lot of collaboration needed, a lot of data needed to be shared amongst partners to achieve better outcomes for the life cycle.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Joel.
No worries.
It's great to hear from you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this episode of Second Life Sessions. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. To find a repair shop near you and give your devices a second life, check out wheretorepair.org. For resources and more information, visit techcareassociation.org. We'll see you next time.